Man, these Salomon boots right here, the Gore-Tex version, I actually paid $225 for these boots. And first things first, these do run large. I tried a 13 and they were too big. I tried a 12, they were a little too tight. So the 12 and a half was just right for me. So if you do get the Salomon Quest, maybe try on a half size smaller, okay? I actually drove out to Oxnard, which was like a 2-hour trip, and I tried these on in person, and I'm satisfied that I did that because I left with the boot that I wanted with the exact size that I wanted. I really like these boots, man. I've went on numerous hiking trips. I took these to Mexico in rough terrain, rough mountain area. Wasn't no problem. These are actually Gore-Tex, so they're for waterproof weather. And I haven't stood in no puddles. I did walk through the rain. It felt good. I hadn't stood in no puddles, but they say these boots are waterproof up to the ankle area. And as you can see in this ankle area, it's got a cinch down right here for the boot and laces. That cinch right there, man, I don't know about the placement or the grip that it has on there. It allows you to really tie these boots in a great, tight, comfortable position. I really like these boots, man. Yeah, they are an investment, but I've worn these numerous times on numerous hikes for quite the length. Never had a problem with these boots. For what they are, they're beefy, but they're light and they're extremely comfortable. The front has got like, I would consider it like a reinforced toe for as far as in a hiking boot. It's not super firm, it's got some flex in there, but for a hiking boot, it's more than enough solid. You're not gonna be running or riding bikes in these things, so it's more than enough solid. It's got like a shock absorption heel and sole. This thing is, look at that, it's rugged, bro. So just so you know, this thing is well worth the investment. I'm super happy with this. It's actually got a material right here that allows for breathability and cool air to run through. I've worn these boots in hot weather. I didn't walk around like, oh man, I can't wait till I get these boots off. I was concentrating on finishing my hike and my footwear was never a problem. So these boots right here, the Salomon Quest, and check out their logo right here. Salomon, time to play, right? When it comes down to playing and getting down to business, I'm willing to rock these and willing to bet that these boots will outlast almost any other boot. Yeah, they're a little bit pricey, $225, but I've taken these on numerous styles of terrain, numerous lengths of hikes, numerous styles of weathers, and this boot got me all the way through in comfort and got me all the way through the end. When I decided to start these hikes, I would tell myself, we're gonna make it from beginning to end. This boot has not let me down. It let me finish my whole journey in peace and comfort and never having to worry about my boot, my feet, or ever slipping or anything like that. I highly recommend these boots. This is not just an unboxing review. This is an actual tried and true review. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I buy things with my own money. But even if I were to be sponsored, I'll always make sure to give you guys an honest and thorough review. And that's how I feel about the Salomon Quest. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll be more than happy to get back to you. So yeah, the Salomon Quest. Thank you for your time, brothers and sisters. God bless.